Morning everyone, so today it's an Audi, it's a TT and it's a Quattro model. The customer's complaint is the brake warning light is coming on. You see that? It's needing fuel as well, but that one there. So I already took the pads out of the thing and you can see the sensors. These are just like the ones on the BMW. So indeed it is needing front brake pads, but we believe there's only one on the front and one on the back. There's a new one, so we're not sure if it's just plug and play with these things or you need to adapt it through the scan tool, but we'll find out pretty soon. It's the Drive Tech part number. The Audi tip, if you want to know what way your brake discs go, look at the one where the piston's been pushing against. So you see that one's got the round piston mark, so that obviously goes to the piston sides of things, like that side. Another one without the piston mark goes to this side. So there you go, there's a quick tip if you're struggling which side goes to where. So we use our special tool to retract the brake piston. There we go. That's a good. That your way? That's it. Aye, once it catches you're on it. The fluid's ready to go, ready to stop.
Stop there, eh?
We'll need to take out some fluid because it's ready to spill over. There you go. Extract some brake fluid because you certainly don't want that running down your paintwork. So we've removed some fluid and you can see it's coming up again. Oh. A wee bit there, Roddy. How's it looking?
Not bad now. How's that?
We're just about 10 mil to go. What's right that? Wait there again. You need to move a wee bit more. Maybe you've got enough space there, eh?
Maybe,
aye. Aye. Oh aye. That's back, isn't it?
That should be it back.
Some copper grease, but we go to put the sliders.
Right, a wee chapter in there. In there.
Tight.
Aye. That's it.
There you go.
That's it. A good chap now. Sign in.
Wee chap.
Yeah, we didn't. Put it back up.
That's it. So that's a pad in.
So we'll put this. Hopefully there's enough of it.
Think so, yeah.
Wait there, mate.
Is it?
Aye.
Still tight?
It takes away, aye.
Oh dear.
You're working all right.
Oh, the sliders.
Sliders.
Oh, they used to be bad in the Fiats.
Aye, they were.
Terrible.
There'll be somebody else. Aye, must just go inside.
So if we plug that in, we'll see if that thing stops flashing, eh?
Aye.
Then you just put your bolts top and bottom. 13 mil.
13s. That's it.
That's it. No. We'll go and see if the lights stop flashing. No, it's not stopped flashing yet. So we've done a full code scan. So we're going to. Oh, we could just do it. Fault code. Oh, it's just got a 298 passive sporadic and a 16401 active static. It doesn't tell you what the code is, Roddy. So I would assume that's for the brakes. We'll try the launch on it. The launch scan tool, and you can see for brake electronics it's complaining about the tyre pressure monitoring, tyre pressure warning. So if we go into that, tells you everything there. So we'll read DTC. So tyre pressure warning, active static, a C102D00. So we'll come back out of that and we'll read the data stream. And if we come down, this tyre pressure monitoring display, so we go OK. This seems to be like a sub menu. I've never seen this before for the Audi, Volkswagen stuff. So it says it. System status available, tyre pressure monitoring display button not operated, so it must have a button to reset it. So you see front tyre pressure diffusion indicator 0. Now if you go, the other ones are 0 as well, but if you come down there, right front flat tyre indicator 255, so that's like maximum. Then left front's 253, rear right's 253, but then it says left rear flat tyre indicator 127. So here is the rear right. Oh, sorry, that looks okay. That's blowing up, so we'll check pressures first of all, but I'm not sure if there's actually. That seems like a normal valve. So maybe it's like BMW. It looks at the circumference of the wheel for tyre pressure monitoring on this one. What we're going to do is check the tyre pressure first of all. So it's in the driver's door, this plate. So it's 2.2 at the front and 1.9 at the back. And well, we'll just go for 2.2 and 1.9, so it's 32 psi or 28 psi. So we found the pressure to be too high. How about that, eh?
Yeah.
That'll do, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's 1.9 at the back, 2.3 at the front. Brake wear indicator, that cleared once you put the ignition off and back on. So that's gone. The tyre pressure monitoring system, what you had to do here, in the centre console you had to hit menu. So that came up with car. Display monitoring system. You hit this menu button, so you go menu, and then you use this button here to turn, and you go up to car. So you then press enter, and then you then take the button and go to the left, and that brings you, see if you go to the right and go back to the left, and you scroll down and go to service and checks, and you're pressing this to enter. And then you go into tyre pressure loss indicator, and then you can reset it from there. So that seemed to work, because when we go into the scan tool, the fault code moved from active to passive, and you can see that our figures are back at 255. So we'll need to give this a bit of a run to see if that's now cleared it, but I'll let you see that read TTCs. So you can see the fault code's gone. So it moved to passive, and then you had to clear the fault code. But I thought in this, the display, that you could display the tyre pressures, because I thought there were pressure valves within this, but now I'm not so sure. Maybe it's just the circumference of the wheel it looks like.